Let's practice the song Blue by Yongkai, right hand melody. Now the first note is a high E. We're going to put our finger 4 over there. Ready, and we go. Rest, rest. Ho, 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 ho. Rest to go. Going to verse. Rest, rest. N, rest. N, rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rest. N, rest. N, 1, 2, go. N, rest. N, 1, 2, 3, rest. Rest. Rest, N. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more bar. 1, 2. Let's go up to chorus B. And we go. N. 1, 2, go. And we go. N. 1, 2, 3. N. Rest, rest. N. 1, 2, 3, rest. Will you? 2, 3. 2, 3. Hold 3. Go. And instrumental. Rest, rest. 1, 2, go. Finger 4 and 5, and again. Time 1, 2, go. 3 E, 3 F sharp, 3 G sharp, 3 D sharp. Repeat band B. Rest, rest. On to go. D sharp and V, E. Go up to G sharp. 3, 5, 3, 1. Turn down. N. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, verse 2, go. N. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to E. And go. F sharp, G sharp. N. 5, 2, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, rest, rest. N. Rest, rest. 1, 2, go. N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3 up. High B chorus, go. 1, 2, and go. N. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. N. 1, 2, turn down. N. Rest, rest. N. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3. 2, 3. Hold 3. And instrumental. Going up. E, F sharp, G sharp. Rest, rest. 2, 3. Finger 4 D sharp, finger 5 on E and go. B. 1, 2, 3. 3 E, 3 F sharp, 3 G sharp, 3 D sharp, repeat B, B, C sharp, E, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, hold, hold, go up to G sharp, 3, 5, 3, 1, turn down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hold, 2, 3, 2 more lines, and B, hold, hold, 1, 2, turn down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.